How to pay less fees for your Bitcoin transaction when using Jaxx Wallet. Hey guys, this is RJ here. Today I'm going to show you how to pay less of a fee for your transactions when you're using Jaxx. So first, let me open my wallet. I'm using the extension here for Google Chrome, and I'm also using it on my mobile phone. So this is my wallet. I have a small amount in here, and I'm going to choose the send option. I will enter here the wallet address that I want to send this amount. I will use the maximum amount just because this is a very small amount. Now let's go to I'm clicking on send. And now I can see what I'm actually going to pay for this transaction. The fee would be 2,688 Satoshi. Now this is a high fee. I will cancel this transaction and I will go here in the menu. I will go to settings and I will choose BTC mining fee. When I click on that, it's bringing me the window that I can see the different fees that have been preset. So these are default setups. Fast, which is expensive. Average, which would be less expensive, slightly longer time to wait. And slow, which would be, you might be waiting for a few hours, sometimes even a day. But it will be a cheaper fee. I doubt if it's going to be a day, but in any case, it would be hours, most likely. So let's go to the slow one. And I can't really customize it. I can't really change exactly, set up exactly how many Satoshis I want to pay per byte. But in any case, I am choosing the slowest option. So let's see what would be the fee now. And in this case, the fee is 1,152 Satoshi. So it's basically half of the fee that I was paying previously. I just managed to cut my fee in half. Now I need to click confirm, and this will send the transaction. It's very simple and easy, and pretty much you have three choices. You have fast, regular, and slow. That's it. I hope this video helps you guys, and if you're using any other wallets, check out my other videos that you will be seeing here on the screen right now, so that you can see how to change the fee in other wallets.